This is a copy pasting method. Me huwa na copy paste videos. I just download a video from YouTube, then I post it to Facebook. I gain massive followers. This is my account, Msafide Cruz. I have 64,000 followers under 4 months. And since I got monetized, my viral video got 39 million views, which give me $35.50. And my second video got viral. It has 1.1 million views, which give me $15.44. That's very good. That's pretty good. Yes. Then you see my November earning. It is 106.10. And October earning that I'm expecting, it is 101.79, which is pretty good. You see, like, consistency is very good because winning Facebook logarithm is very easy peasy. Winning logarithm on Facebook. Yes. So the only method that you can win logarithm on Facebook, make sure you are consistent on what you are posting. Make sure you are consistent and you are posting legit things. Videos without sound that has copyright. My videos, I normally take them from YouTube. Then I go to CapCut. I isolate, then I extract that sound that has copyright. After extracting the sound that has copyright, I go to my sound on CapCut. Then I pick one sound from CapCut. I'm a piano sound. Then I add it there on my video. Then I go to Facebook and I post the video. Only that. And the video go viral. You get massive views, massive followers, and massive money. See, overall views of mine, it is 17 million views, which it has earned me an overall money of $300, which is good for a small farmer like me. Mkulima mdogo kama mimi, hiyo ni pesa ingine mzuri sana. So guys, be consistent on Facebook. And Facebook has really money because you can even get bonus. You see mine, I have bonus. 2 videos, if it reach a reach of 1.5 million, I get good bonus. Then, if I reach $138, I get a bonus of $21, which is good. I really appreciate for that, Cassie. So guys, make sure you be consistent. All the best.